Alrighty, old goods. Hey, if you happen to notice any man glitter around, don't worry, it was for another video I was doing. I got stuff piling up on my table. Should do. This is another, today we're going to do another Bespoke Post unboxing. Again, Bespoke Post is not sponsoring this video in any way, but we will put a link down below in the description for you to save $20 off your first order. Even though they're not sponsoring us, we're kind of digging this stuff. I mean, we got a knife, pretty sweet. We got a jacket. I love that jacket. I'm wearing that every day to work. That kind of inspired why we selected to go with this box this month. This is the November box. It's been sitting here for about 2 weeks. And I haven't opened it, and it's cold outside. I already said we had the jacket, so I already kind of alluded to the fact that this should be something to keep me warm. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we have, what's this one called? An acrylic beanie by Upstate Stock. Yep, by Upstate Stock. Okay. It says acrylic. I don't know. Acrylic. Am I saying that word right? A-C-R-Y-L-I-C. Acrylic. Doesn't really. Feels like cotton. Feels like, warm stuff, not hard stuff. Oh, hey. It is actually pretty warm, and I'm sure you'll agree. It looks phenomenal on his noggin. The other thing in here is, oops, there are 3 things in here. Oh, I forgot about one. Okay, this one says enjoy. A nice little sticker that says enjoy. Alright, it's a flannel scarf by Mill City Fineries. So, we'll look at it here. I'm not a big scarf person, but I have been working outside, and well, nice little scarf isn't going to hurt me any. Might even make me a little more sophisticated looking. Okay, so I should keep the neck one. I don't know what throwing it behind me. I mean, maybe one side. Maybe get this high enough that you can see the frill. There you go. And then, toss it. So, that's kind of pretty. I mean, it is. I put it on the wrong way, though. It needs to be this side. Oh, boy, it does not feel right to do that. It's the wrong. I should have just turned it around. That way the Mill City can be shown. Oh, pretty. Majestic. Okay, this just doesn't feel right. That doesn't feel right going that way. There we go. That's better. There we go. Just spin that around that way. Yes, I am a sophisticated man. What would you like? What would you say? Anyway, the other thing in the box was a money clip, and ooh, feels like it says Scott Brothers. Just a little money clip. I don't know, it's kind of tight. I don't know how to use this. I mean, I didn't get it for the money clip. I mean, if it's like brass or maybe copper. It said somewhere, but I don't think it says on this. It says metal. Oh, it's Shot Brothers. Okay, my bad. Shot Brothers, not Scrop. I'm old and it's hard to read. I guess if I hold it like that, I can see the H. Now that I know it's an H, because it kind of looks like an R. But you can tell it's an H after you know it's an H. Alright. So that's it for that. Yeah, like I said though, this month, I mean, the box that they were going to send me, I had no interest in. I really didn't. It didn't look like anything that would be remotely my alley or my wheelhouse. But this one, since I've been working outside a little bit, or at least, going outside to get to and from work, and carrying tools in and out, loading up the cart, tools out of the car, carrying them inside to get a little cold. And then one day they wanted me to work outside in the cold, and I was like, it's 20 degrees. I'm not going out. And then the next day I went out and it was like 35. I didn't want to, but there was $80 waiting for me out there. So, $80. Go get cold for a little bit. So I went and got cold for a little bit. Got the hoodie. I got my sweatshirt for work. I got the hoodie that previous video on for Bespoke Post. Got the nice little beanie now, a little scarf. I'm starting to look a little stylish, a little profound, maybe a little nice. Maybe I'll get some sunglasses at some point. Maybe not so much in the wintertime, even though when the snow is flying, great time to wear sunglasses, especially at nighttime. Bright light, white snow, blinding. So keep that in mind. Anyway, put a link for this down below, or not a link for this down below in the description. We'll put a link down below in the description to save you $20 off your first purchase from Bespoke Post. Again, this is not sponsored by Bespoke Post. I just love this stuff. Everything I've gotten so far, I'm in love with. And I cannot wait to wear this stuff to work starting tomorrow.